Pre-screening for IndiaSkills Competition 2023-24. This tutorial is for information purpose only. Eligibility for IndiaSkills 2023-24 pre-screening assessment for candidates who have successfully registered themselves for IndiaSkills 2023-24 on Skill India digital platform. Steps to take assessment. Please go through the following sections thoroughly to ensure a smooth experience. Visit the Skill India digital platform at www.skillindiadigital.gov.in. Click on the Login button located on the top right corner. Select Learner or Participant as highlighted in the image. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and click Continue. Enter your 4-digit password to log in. Once logged in, you will land on My Dashboard. Next, on My Dashboard, click on the Take Test button. You will be redirected to My Assessment section. In My Assessment section, two assessment options will be available. First, Mock Test, and second, Pre-screening assessment. To practice, click on Take Test button in the Mock Test section. You will be prompted to click Start to initiate the mock test. The questions will appear as shown in the image. Answer the question by selecting the most appropriate option and click Next. After answering all questions, click Finish button to end the mock test. You can take 2 attempts of the mock test. Same steps as in the mock test to be followed for taking pre-screening assessment. Submit each section when you finish. There will be no negative marking. Candidates registered on IndiaSkills 2023-24 will be notified about the mock test and pre-screening assessment date and time through email, SMS and WhatsApp in advance. Instructions for pre-screening assessment. Duration of the assessment will be 1 hour. It will consist of 40 multiple choice questions. For any assistance or issues, please contact us at skillindia.helpdesk@nsdcindia.org.